what would you recommend then, man, for us as sellers? How should we think what to choose? Because it sounded like
Yeah.
there's, I mean, I'm a seller on Amazon. I only sell on Amazon. Maybe there's a seller who has like multi-channel. Maybe someone is
Yeah.
at Shopify. Most of the audience that's watching my channel I see is Amazon sellers. But like, how should we think before we
Yeah.
start? Like, should we come maybe from your experience, from your own like
Yeah. If you wanted
successes?
like the SOP on what to do, well, first of all, there's so many options. So you got to
Yeah,
pick one, right? You
yeah,
can't do
yeah,
everything
yeah,
all the
yeah,
day. And you
yeah, yeah.
can't use everything for everything. So, what we started with was, simple UGC. So, maybe your Amazon listing doesn't have real images of real people holding your
Mm,
product. Maybe you
interesting.
don't have a video to use in Amazon and you don't know how to film one. So you can go on JoinBrands and for $15, you can hire 10 people per video, per image to take a photo of your product. So that's what people would do. They'd get 10 people to say, and then they'd make a graphic that says like 10,000 customers
Mm,
love us, right? But they'd use those faces of people holding the product, the beauty cream or the supplement or
interesting.
whatever, throughout their listing, right? And now you can get rid of all that stock photo that people don't really care to see, and it's all doctored up generally. With AI, definitely you can do better now, but real people, real results, they just look a little bit different. They're not perfect. And then you can go into the UGC videos where I say create. After you've done the images, you go make let's say 10 videos, or that's too many. Let's just make 4 videos, right? About $60 each, and the creators will deliver those videos, and you can use them for whatever you want. So take them as just videos for your website, mash them together as a customer
Mm,
testimonial video. So
mhm.
splice them together. I'll do that, and then make a video for Amazon ads, right? That you can run on there that shows up. So repurpose this content, put it on your social media, put it on your Shopify store. For $60, you get so much bang for your buck if you got a video that you have unlimited rights to use.
So we can use the
Right. So
video, we can re-upload it, we can
yeah.
upload it, so we get the rights for that.
Oh, yeah. With JoinBrands, all the rights are transferred once you purchase that video or image, and the creators can't really do anything about it. So they've already signed their rights away to us as a platform. We transfer it to you. So super easy to do. That I would definitely start with the images. It's super cheap. Get started there. Then you learn the platform, go onto the videos, right? Get a script or two, or give them some talking points, like the best, grill brush I've ever had. Would never use anything else. My grills never look better. Da 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 da. Right? You turn those into like multi assets. Then I would move if you're going to be on TikTok or YouTube. I would definitely get some YouTube videos because those are great. Why? YouTube lasts forever. It's a search platform. People are searching for
Mhm.
things. Hey, what's the best grill brush? If you happen to show up, you're going to get views, right? So, I have a product from a company I sold, and it's got like 100,000 views on me showing how to pump up an exercise ball. It's crazy,
Nice,
right?
nice.
I was just in my driveway, but I did it 10 years ago. So, people are still
Yeah.
watching that video on how to do that. So I think those kinds of videos are really great. If you're not wanting to do that yourself, this is a super easy way to just be hands off. People like yourself who are in foreign markets, right, or living in foreign places, we've helped them save thousands of dollars on photo shoots and Airbnb rentals and, videographers and stuff like that by just hiring creators in the US and
Oh.
having it be done automatically.
Yeah, so many options it sounds like because you just
Yeah.
mentioned Airbnb and we have Amazon, you said TikTok, Shop, everything basically. So
Yeah, so we're
how
kind of
does it
like the kayak, right? We have a one-stop kind of place to go and get creators on both places because you can always go to TikTok and try to reach out to creators, but they're getting hit up by so many people, and there's no, what makes us different is the performance. We do pay the creators, plus they can make commissions if like it's on TikTok or Amazon, but
Mhm.
it's they're getting paid. Whereas most people are like, hey, will you make a video for me and you'll just make commissions? And like the reality is most people don't make much in commissions, right? It's like 90-10 rule, essentially. 10% of creators drive 90% of the revenue.